This video contains important information for all international students studying at Conestoga College. The following steps are required to be registered and to access your timetable. Once you have completed these steps, your timetable will be made available on the Conestoga Student Portal. Step number 1. Provide proof of approval to study on the admissions portal. If you have already submitted this information via email or have uploaded to the OCAS portal, you are still required to complete this step. If you are currently in Canada, upload a copy of the study permit you received at the Canadian border when you arrived. If you are outside of Canada but will arrive before the start of classes, upload a copy of your passport request letter, letter of introduction, or visa issued by the IRCC. Enter the UCI number listed on your approval document. Enter the expiry date indicated on your approval document. Read and complete the declaration. Please note, a valid study permit is the only document accepted and is required to start your program. If you have, upload one of the following visa documents: passport request, visa, or letter of introduction. To complete registration, your study permit must be uploaded to the portal as soon as you arrive, but no later than the first day of class. Step number 2. Ensure your January 2022 semester tuition has been received by the college and is available in your student portal account. If required, pay any outstanding tuition fees online. Step number 3. Confirm your invoice. Watch our tutorial on YouTube. The link is in the description. Step number 4. Update your current address in your student portal. Are you currently in Canada? If yes, use local address for students currently in Canada. If you do not have a SIN, please be sure to check the SIN checkbox to indicate this. You won't be able to save your address if you do not check this box. If no, do not update your address to a Canadian address until you have arrived in Canada. Please note, if your program is course-based registration, you will be required to build your own timetable. Instructions can be found in the link below or on the international website. If you have any other questions about registration, please email internationaladmissions@conestogac.on.ca.